What's up, everybody? It's Christmas Eve, and I just got home from my in-laws' house. I'm filled with tacos, and I felt like doing a couple of small things with the car today, so we're gonna work on this and get the, because I can't be running around like that. That's crazy. We're gonna secure that. I think the other side needs the same thing. The subs, this one needs to come out. This one needs to get secured. I think we're gonna tap into this to be able to get that done. I made a cool observation while I was out here looking around. This thing already had Kicker 6x9s in it, so that's pretty awesome. Once we get that finished, we'll go out there and try to get a couple rips in. I think we've got some daylight. It's a beautiful day. It's between like 50 and 60 degrees. So perfect day for messing around while everybody's kind of like doing their own thing. And I hope everybody's enjoying their holiday. We're going to go ahead and get started on this. So somewhere in this magical drawer of junk is probably the solution to our sub problem. Maybe something like this. Well, that's half the battle. That's gonna shake and go like that constantly if I don't put something small that doesn't pierce the wood. It's nothing quite like this. Is solid. Okay, so here's our situation. This is still relatively decently intact. I could try to just loosen this and tighten this. See, it'll sit up in there. It makes everything else kind of weird though. Like the body kit. This whole area is just problematic. Alright, so we got that tightened up. And this is a temporary thing because once the actual body kit gets here, then all of this is getting replaced anyways. Alright, let's get this other side off. So on this side, here's what we're working with. It's a bit more beat up than the other side. There's nothing to anchor it to here either. That could be a problem. So here's the plan. This came off. So I gotta re-rivet this anyways, but there's a piece of metal right back. There's a piece of metal right back here that I feel like we could secure this to, and you're never gonna see it. So I'm gonna drill a hole, and we're gonna secure this straight to that. And then whenever I get the new bumper, we'll cross that bridge. Because I really don't want to do that to the new bumper, but this old bumper, it's kind of whatever. So we're gonna get started on that. Now we're going to use a little backwoods engineering and use some of this electric fence wire. If you ain't got a roll of electric fence wire in your toolbox, I don't know what you're doing. I use this stuff for so many things, it's crazy. We found the hole. Alright, now we just got to get through the bumper. Look at that. That's as tight as it can be. That ain't going nowhere. I have to re-rivet this for a second time. Well, this is loose now. Like, I'm going to lose this piece. I have to find a way to secure this piece to this piece. I'm just gonna get some duct tape. Let's see if this will work. Alright, for the short term, that's gonna have to do. Because I'm running out of daylight. Alright, Mel just came in. I figured I'll share this with you guys. So this is like the Legends VIP thing. If you haven't figured it out by now, I'm a total fanboy. You know who this is. This isn't sponsored or anything. I just figured this is always fun to open. And since I'm out here recording, I go ahead and share it with you guys too. So let's get this thing open. What we get this month? Okay. New jet tag. Looks like they did the Porsche one this month. Military green. It's a pretty fire shirt. Porsches are cool. Alright, let me go put that wheel back on. The other plan is I bought this camera. So we're going to try to take this thing and go get some shots up in the scenic area. So we'll see how that works out.
Not what you make, but how much you spend. You
If you know, you know. I see you, Mr. Deer. Mrs. Deer.
Something.
That's a Mr. Deer right there.
Pretty!
4 point.
Oh my gosh.
Holy, well, hello everyone. Hello, hello, just passing through. Vehicles from all directions.
It is so busy.
Christmas Eve. Everybody else is Christmas shopping. Oh boy.
Oh, what?
State trooper. Surely he didn't hear any of that, right?
Oh, totally.
We're totally not going to jail. Just act normal. Just act normal.
That is one very chill state trooper. He actually just stays there.
All right, we're at my favorite spot, and we're just kind of chilling. Sun's going down, but I wanted to end this video while we were up here, just taking in the view. I appreciate you guys watching. We just cracked 100 subscribers. I want to do a 100 subscriber video. I just got to get the things together to actually do it, so be looking for that. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos, the likes, the comments, everything. Keep it going. I appreciate it so much. It's so cool. It's so fun making this because of you guys. So thank you so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday and take care.